Hello, this is June. Today we're going to make popcorn. We just need 4 ingredients. Popcorn kernels, vegetable oil, salt and olive oil. The first step is to put a large saucepan on the stove. Don't forget your lid. The next step is to heat up the pan a little bit before you pour the vegetable oil in. Once you've poured the vegetable oil in, then pour the popcorn in. Once the lid is on, you can start to see it popping. If you want, you can give it a little shake. Once the popcorn finished popping, turn the stove off. Once you've turned the stove off, you must put the pan with popcorn in to the counter or your table. Ooh, I'm just going to eat some popcorn now.
What?
Pour your popcorn in a large bowl. Now you must scrape the rest off and then you are finished for that bit. Put your olive oil in the lid and then drizzle it on the popcorn. We want to use sea salt. If you would like, you can use sugar or a different salt. Lightly spread salt on your popcorn and your olive oil. Don't forget to mix it. Don't forget to taste it. Now, to gobble it all up before your mummy and daddy do.